So I tried Honey Fudge for around a month, and it seems to be one of those better low T products. I was really unsure when first purchasing this product, as I have no real experience with natural testosterone boosters. This testosterone booster helped me keep going throughout the day, as well as motivate me in the gym. I feel like I have better strength and stamina whilst working out. Towards the end, I think I even felt a little more focused and motivated as well. And as a 24-year-old weightlifter, I would definitely recommend this product to others. I'm sure that this product would even work better when used on individuals of a higher age than myself. And I was skeptical at first, but I honestly do feel like I've got higher confidence, more energy, and improvement in my mood. I'm leaner and more energized than I have been in a long while. And it's not a pill, it tastes good, it's easy to take, and it may be what you need to give you that extra little boost that you're looking for.